We found an abandoned prehistoric Alienware laptop near a garbage bin, so we picked it, and let's see if we can restore this old Alienware laptop from 2007.
Wow.
Looks like vandalized already by the owner of this laptop. It's very heavy also. So here we are at our work desk. Let's try to restore this old precious machine. When it was launched in 2007, it was around $4,000 and it was offering for the first time dual graphics card technology. Oops, there are no screws on the bottom cover. On the left side, there's its fan grill and dual storage slots for SSD and HDD and a slot for SD card reader and PCMCI card slot as well. Under the bottom cover, there are a lot of interesting technology of 2007 and 2008. Here you can see the SLI bridge that connects both GPUs together. The graphics cards from AMD, one here, and one over here. This fan is for CPU heatsink cooling, while this heatsink is for both GPUs connected to single fan. And this is battery pack for the laptop. Let's try to remove HDD caddy. There is no HDD inside. And there are no storage in caddy number 2 as well. Now let's remove the battery. This laptop has 14 8V6000 for 150 mAh battery pack that used to give 2 hours of backup. Here is the model number of this laptop, M17R1. From here, I will go to X speed. This laptop has fingerprint lock as well. This laptop has PC3 RAM of 1333 mHz for GB. Now let's clean and repaste thermal paste. There are a lot of screws and very tight because they are old, almost 17 years stuck inside. The thermal paste has dried out and has become like a rock solid, holding tight the heat sink, making it difficult to remove the heat sink. There is a layer of dust over everything. Now let's remove the CPU heatsink and then the CPU itself. Here also the thermal paste is dried out. CPU is also removable like desktop PCs. Let's clean the old thermal paste. Be careful while using the metal object over CPUs because it can damage the surface. After cleaning, let's put the CPU back. Now let's clean the fans. Heatsink also has dried thermal paste which should be removed as well to put new thermal paste. So far so good. Now let's do this process to GPUs and to their fans. The fan screws are stuck and they destroyed my screwdriver. All the grooves are gone.
Oh no!
The fan screws are stuck inside, so we need to do it the other way. This laptop has dual ATI graphics cards which are AMD. AMD dual card are called Crossfire, unlike Nvidia where we call it SLI. Now let's add the fresh thermal paste. Spread it evenly. Now let's join the Crossfire AMD graphics card bridge. We will add a new 320 gigabits hard drive to the laptop to check its workability. We don't want to add newer technologies to the laptop before checking it properly, like for example SSD or RAM upgrade. Before powering it on, let's clean all the ports and slots of this laptop to check for any damage. This laptop is very old but has a HDMI port that's great. So far the ports looks good. Let's clean the PCMCI card slot and SD card slots as well. Card reader look was never used for ages. Now let's turn it on. Let's see if it is still alive after so many years. Connecting the AC power. The battery is charging, showing orange light. But laptop is not turning on. Long press the power button and then power on again. Let's see what happens. Laptop turned on. CD-ROM also working, but no display. Now let's remove CMOS battery and hard reset the BIOS. Let's try turning it on again. But no luck. Now let's try to change RAM. After changing the RAM, laptop has finally turned on, but screen has no display because the LCD is damaged, but the keyboard is giving display. Caps lock and num lock is working. No hanging. Laptop is working fine. And amazingly, this laptop has RGB lights. I'm astonished to see this much old laptop with RGB lights. As we are planning to order the LCD from eBay, so press bell icon so that when we post update on this laptop, you can also get an update. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more laptop related videos.